This one, he's not afraid of me. I'll start taking pictures. I'm coming for an investigation, look. He's actually talking to me. What are you doing? Hmm? What a beautiful animal. I know he's not meant to be here, but oh, look at that. I'm gonna get on with the camera. Oh, he's beauty. It's like he knows whilst I'm here, look, nice. Absolutely amazing. Let me see him through there. That's just nature at its best. You can see where I am. He's the boss here. He's coming out, he's just warm me off. Here he comes, don't come too close to him, there's some sharp talons there. You're in space.